Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk, continuing with our Excel VBA lessons, and today we're going to introduce you to the most important or even exciting part of programming, and that is using the if statement in VBA. So an if statement is basically saying that if a certain condition is true, then do something. Okay, so for example, if this cell that we have stating the average, so for example, we have 50, 60, 50, and we calculate the average, and we can say if this number right here is bigger than 50, so the condition is bigger than 50. If this number is bigger than 50, then we're going to output a message saying you have passed the course. So let's do that in our code. Press Alt F11. Okay, so we want it so that when we calculate the average, we're going to say if this number right here, range F9 dot value, so the number that we just got the average for, is bigger than or equal to 50, then we can say then we're going to say output in F10 dot value is going to say you passed the course. Okay, so let's save that and see if that works. So let's go 50, 50, 80, calculate average. Oops, I forgot the end if. So end if. Okay, save it again. End if saying this is what I'm going to do for the if statement. If this condition is met, then this is what I'm going to do. You can do multiple things, so you can put another thing in here if you want, but we're just going to make it that's the only thing we do. So end if statement here, Control S, save, reset it, minimize, run the code again. So it's calculated the average and it said you passed the course, which is awesome. Now what if I put a really low grade in here? So let's put 30, calculate the average, it's 43, but it still says you passed the course, which is not great. So let's go back. So what if we want it so that if it's not bigger than 50, not bigger than or equal to 50, say something else. So let's then go, just before we have end if, let's put else. Else means that if this condition is not met. Okay, so here we've put what we want it to do when the condition is met. Here we want it to say what we want to do if the condition is not met. So here we say copy and paste that line, and we say what's a nice way of saying you failed? You did not pass the course. Put a little sorry there. Sorry you did not pass the course. Control S, save it, minimize, clear the marks. So when we clear the marks, we really want this message to go away as well. So let's go back to the code again, and we want the range F10 to be cleared as well. Okay, so two quotation marks with nothing in between is obviously going to be an empty cell. So save it, clear it. Okay, put some marks in. So 60, 60, 60. Calculate average. 60 you pass the course. But let's do 60, 20, 30. Calculate average. 36 is the average. Sorry, you did not pass the course. Okay, so this is getting more and more exciting. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.